Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the video button within the create new section. And then select your video that you want to edit. Then slide to the right side down below and tap on the pre-cut option. Here you have three options that you can choose from. You can either trim the video by clicking on the trim button. You can hold one of the or tap on one of the frames and position it to the part that you would like to where you would like to trim your video. You can also cut it. Here you can see that you can split it into halves. So here you can see you can also multi-split it by clicking on the multi-split button down below on the left side of the screen. So feel free to split it to as many parts as you want to. Just position this red dotted part to the relevant place within this slide of your video, and then you will be able to multi-split it if you as you tap on the multi-split button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.